Hello, so today we're going to be solving question number 8, and it says to draw the function, which I did right here on the right, of f of x to the x squared, which is parabola. Then it says to draw a line from x2, f2 to x3, f3, which as can be seen right here on the x-axis of 2 to the x-axis of 3. Then it says find the average slope. So in order to find the average slope, we know that slope is y equals mx plus b. However, in this occasion, slope can also be defined as y2 minus y1 is equal to x2 minus x1. x2 being 3 and x1 being 2, y2 being number 9, and y1 being number 4. So all we have to do is plug in this being right here, 9 minus 4 and 3 minus 2, which would equivalent to 1 over 5 or just 5. So then we found the slope. Now it's asking us use limit definition to find the slope when x is equal to 2. So we'll go here. So we know that limit as p2 goes to p1 is delta y, which is the change of y, to delta x, which can also be known as the limit when delta x reaches 0. Not reaches 0, but gets closer to 0. And this is the derivative. So now we apply that. So y is equal to x final minus y x initial over delta x, which goes right smaller to y 2 plus delta x minus y 2 over delta, which can then go to 2 plus delta x exponent 2 minus 4 of delta x. And we can simplify this. 2 over 2 plus delta x over 2 plus 2x minus 4 delta x, which can then go to delta x 2 plus 2 delta x over delta x, which as you see here we can take off completely using algebra. To equate to the limit being 2 plus pi x 2, which could also be known as y equals 4 plus 4x minus 8, y minus 4x minus 4. Oh my god. God damn. So that's what we do to find the limit at x over 2. So now it's asking us to compare the slope at x equal to 2. Now if we look here, when x is equal to 2, the only difference that we see is that it just goes up by 2 units. So it'll be here instead. Since it's here, as you could see, the slope won't be different at all. It'll be completely parallel. The only difference being that the scale went up by 2. Well, not the scale, the parabola went up 2 in the y-axis. However, everything else stays the same.